Or we can air you down.
What's up?
Okay, keep go. You're good. Your front tire's right on the notch. Okay. Give it a little bump. Keep going. I think you got it.
This is what we got. His only problem is between the two.
Troy, cut it this way. Go.
That's almost over half my tire. Yeah, it's like.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
What do I got on that side?
Your exact wheelbase is your 2 bumps.
It's right in there, yeah. You might be able to.
Actually, yeah, cut this way.
Yeah, you might be able to come back up this way.
What about that tree up there?
Yeah.
That's it? That's all I got?
Space-wise, I don't know. You got from
okay.
here to the truck.